Good morning, this is Nate Pilate, Chief of Business Development at Credit Law Solutions. The reason I'm sending you this video is likely because we've already had a conversation over the phone. Therefore, you should know how excited I am to work with you at Loan Depot. Right now, I only serve 2 branches here on the West Coast in California. I'm looking to broaden my horizons. I'm looking to see where else I can be of use, where else I can serve Loan Depot. A couple quick things about me and Credit Law Solutions, differentiators about us, why we're valuable to the mortgage industry is, number one, we are not a dispute company. I believe that's important to mention because, well, we're not here just disputing derogatories on credit reports, otherwise we'd be useless to you as loan officers and likely to your clients, as they don't need to pay a company to dispute items, and also you can't get a loan funded if you have open disputes on your credit report. So what makes us different? One is our turnaround average. Turnaround average is 60 to 90 days. In a decade and a half, we have never had a file exceed 6 months. And to my loan officers, that's incredibly valuable, needless to say. Now, how can we achieve these kind of results? It's pretty simple. We use a 5-step legal challenge process in which we don't just go after the bureaus. Why? Because the derogatories don't exist only at the bureau level. It's rooted further beyond that. So we go after the collection agencies, we go after original creditors, we go after the courts if they have public records. If there are tax liens that are not reporting to the bureaus but are rather reporting to cavers, we even go after the government. So what am I here to do? I'm here to lock arms with you and help some of your credit challenge borrowers cross the finish line, get to the goal score, and get their dream home. I'm here to be a member of your team. Consider me the LOA you don't have to pay, as I'm here to, for the most part, alleviate your time burden. If there's one thing I know about loan officers at Loan Depot, one thing consistent all across the board, is that I know you guys go above and beyond for your borrowers, and sometimes that means sacrificing time you can't necessarily afford. So consider me your backup. I'm the weapon in your holster. I'm here to attack derogatory items, get items removed that don't re-report so you can get your loan across the finish line. So definitely get in touch with me. If you have someone that you want me to take a look at, very simple, I will reject a file if I don't figure we can get the job done in a satisfactory timeline for you and the borrower. I will accept a file if I have a very strong inclination we can get the job done, and this is really only to set the proper expectations with you. So very great to meet you. I'm definitely looking forward to having a couple victories with you. My name again is Nate Pilate. If you want to reach me directly, 818-501-9786. I'm in the office from Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I am never sick for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it's the caffeine intake. Who's to say? I'm not a physician. But in any case, really glad to meet you, and I'm really looking forward to it. You take care. See you at the top.